talking.
YouTubing.
YouTubing and educating all at 1 year. Well done, love Jess. Thanks for the support and inspo. Guys, you got me a card. That's so cute. No badge? Don't worry.
Don't push it.
I won! Good morning, everybody. Today I'm really excited because I'm celebrating my 1 year VEGANNIVERSARY. It's 1 year since I went vegan, and to celebrate I've got my afternoon tea series currently on my channel. I've also decided to do a what I eat in a day video for today because my family have agreed to eat vegan food for the day. And when I say agreed, it was their suggestion, but I did hear my dad this morning say after porridge I'm gonna have some eggs. So I'm not really putting my hopes up too high for them, but I'm gonna take you through the day and show you all of the yummy things that I'm going to eat today to give myself a treat. I'm about to have breakfast and I'm going to have some porridge loaded up with lots of goodies. It's one of my favourite breakfasts. My dad is watching the news in the living room right now, and I don't watch the news because it makes me too sad. So I'm hanging out in my room until the living room / kitchen is free and I can go and eat my breakfast. But I've got some really fun things planned for the day. I've got a yummy lunch and something special for dinner, which is a bit of a callback to one of my earlier videos. If you've been following me since the beginning, you'll know what it is that I have in store for dinner. And I could make my own cake, but I think I'm going to... I've never actually bought one of those kind of vegan cakes in a box like the Bosch ones or any of the supermarket own brand vegan cakes. So I'm gonna go and pick out a cake today to say congratulations to myself. I'll catch up with you at breakfast. Here's my yummy porridge with chia seeds, flaxseed and some mashed banana as standard. I'm gonna pop in some raspberries and yeah, as you can see, it's a special occasion, so I'm gonna put in some chocolate, and I've also got this whole earth chocolate spread. I'm going all out today. Gonna have it with some vegan Horlicks, which I haven't tried before. Might be a bit too much of a sugar overload for me, but we'll see. Gonna be an interesting day. Not gonna lie, feel a little bit sick after all that chocolate for breakfast, and I didn't really drink the Horlicks. Sorry if it's windy and noisy, by the way. But I'm just going to Morrison's and I'm gonna pick out a cake, which is strange because the last thing I really want to think about right now is more sugar. We'll see how I feel by the end of the day. So apart from a little candle, not really a lot of choice for vegan cakes. Actually, no vegan cakes in Morrison's, which is just really poor. So on the way to another store that I think has more options, and fingers crossed we'll find something. I want something different to chocolate. I think that's all I've decided. Something different to chocolate. So fingers crossed. Wish me luck. Slim pickings from Tesco. So there's the chocolate and there's the lemon. There's a ginger one over there, but I think I'm gonna go for the lemon. Let's see. Alright, Bosch. Let's see what you're like. I'm not after chocolate, but just happy that they've got a few more options here. I want to show you my lunch and I'm really excited about it. I'll show you. So I made a vegan chili. I really don't know how I'm going to have room for dinner, actually. I'm going a bit all out today. So I made a vegan chili with cheese, guacamole, sour cream and some chips. And let me show you all the prep that I'm doing for dinner. So this is the leftover of the chili. I'm sure everybody will enjoy that. I'm boiling some sweet potato, and here I've got little bits and pieces to roast. I'm sure you can guess what I'm making, and I'll show you later. So we never sit and eat around the table, but for my VEGANNIVERSARY, we're sitting around the table and let me show you what we've got. So this was in one of my very first videos. We've got butter balls, hummus, quinoa, tomato, guacamole, lots of roast veggies, some sweet potato, and everybody is starving. So we're gonna enjoy our meal, and then I've also got dessert. I just have to show you, so accidentally, can I focus on this? Accidentally, my dad's bought a vegan wine. So I get to have some wine, and I've also got a card. I know, I roasted it a bit too long. One already. No, I can't spend this anywhere right now. It's Corona time. Oh. Dad, Mum, congrats on your continuing progress and thanks for introducing us to different foods. Some we like, some not so much. Love, Mum. Oh.
You know why it says that? No bull. Ha ha.
What?
No bull.
What do you mean?
No bull? No cow?
You had
Because
that?
you're vegan?
Just in the cups of sweet
I understand.
You had this, I think.
Don't worry.
Yeah.
What's his milk cow?
Oh, sorry,
Some
Mum.
of this.
What's his milk cow? Well done, inspired me to keep veggieing, keep veganing. Love, Dad. Thanks, Dad.
Cute.
Well done. Love, Burn. Thanks, Burn. Walking, talking,
YouTubing.
YouTubing and educating all at 1 year. Well done, Love Jess. Thanks for the support and inspo. Guys, you got me a card. That's so cute. No badge? Don't worry.
Don't push it.
I won!
1, 2, 3. Happy vegan anniversary to you. Happy vegan anniversary to you. Happy vegan anniversary to Kath. Happy vegan anniversary to you.
Thank you!
Got a wish.
Oh, yeah. I loved it out. Okay, make a wish.
Make a wish.
Hooray!
I wish for an end for industrialized agriculture. Everybody, you're there. This is so nice. It's really, I'm gonna take the slice up. Don't know if you can see, but it's really moist inside. They must inject it with lemon juice. It's so nice. Doesn't taste any different from a normal cake. Why use eggs at all?
Oh, there's no eggs in it.
No eggs. No eggs. No butter. No bacon. No animals.
Bacon in eggs. And cake.
Cruelty free. Hi everyone, so it's a few days later and I had a wonderful veganiversary. My family were really supportive. I hope that you enjoyed coming along with me for the day and seeing what I ate on that special day. I don't normally cook meals that extravagant for every meal of the day, but it was a special day. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoy the rest of, I hope you enjoyed the afternoon tea series. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I really want to get to 100 subscribers, hopefully well before the end of the year. But if you're watching this and you haven't subscribed, it's just a little click of a button and you don't have to pay anything, but it means a lot to me. I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe. Leave a comment if there's a meal that you like that you're curious about how it would taste if it was veganized, let me know. Especially if you're trying to cut down on animal products, it might be helpful to have a little go-to veganized version of one of your faves. So always up for a challenge. Tell your friends if you know people who are vegan or who are thinking of cutting out meat and animal products for environmental reasons, health reasons, whatever it is. Please share my channel with them. It's perfect for beginners. A lot of my recipes are really simple and don't include any meat substitutes or dairy substitutes, so it's really accessible. Yeah, like, share, comment, subscribe. 4 little things that mean so much to me. So thank you for watching, and I will see you next week. Bye! Give that like button a hit and subscribe to the Vegan Brit.